Hi guys, welcome to Chip of Sunshine Foodie. So today I'm going to show you how to level up your spam recipe into delicious and healthy goodness. Let's get started. Start digging in. Let's put some eggs. Look at this one. Very good, guys. I got this fresh asparagus from our garden. We just have to slice them. So if you guys would like to blanch this, you can just boil a pot of water and put a little bit of salt and then just boil this in the boiling water for about 3 to 4 minutes. So, but I like my asparagus crunchy, so I decided to just slice this fresh. Use 2 eggs. Just the eggs. Let's go ahead and put all this garlic, tomatoes, onions. I will just go ahead and put like half a teaspoon of salt. Alright, that should be enough. I hope our pepper is working. Yeah, it's working. So we'll put this aside so we can go ahead and slice our spam. This is my favorite flavor, like the one with the light, because it has lesser like cholesterol and less sodium, of course, or salt. This tastes much better than the regular spam. Slice it thinner, you can slice a fourth of an inch, so it's up to you guys. What I usually do, I usually start in the middle so that I can tell how thick or what size of the slice that I like to cut on my spam. Even a cake, when I slice it, I usually start in the middle. So just look at that. It has lesser fat and it smells good. You guys, if you want to try this kind of recipe to make it healthier and you guys can actually add vegetables that you like. You can put some spinach on it. Okay, we already cut our spam and we have this egg mixture right here. What you have to do is just put all of this over here. Just put them one by one. Just mix it up. It won't break. Just like that. There we go. Just until it's coated evenly. Just like that. Let's go over there in our stove. So our pan is already hot enough to put our oil. About 2 tablespoons of oil. Alright, let's go ahead and start putting our spam slices. Chop on me. Alright, we're not going to crowd it, so we're just gonna put like 5 for now. And while our spam is cooking, I like to go ahead and put the vegetables in the middle, on the sides, just like that. There we go. Because the vegetables cook faster, so we're just going to put it after we put the batch of the spam on the pan. Look at that, guys. It's like a vegetable heaven over here in our spam. Look how pretty is that one, guys. It's a spam goodness. Cook each side for about 3 to 4 minutes or until medium brown. It's ready to flip on the side. Flip this one on the other side. Nice golden brown. You can go ahead and flip the egg mixture right here. Flip the other side. Last one to flip. It smells really good too. I wish you guys can smell it. Okay guys, let's start putting our spam on our plate. Let's check the other side. So good. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And feel free to put a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Okay guys, have a great day. Thank you. Bye.